Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to find out the area of the square inscribed in a circle. So let's suppose this is the square and there is a circle around it touching all the four corners, and the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. So if the radius is 4 centimeters, definitely the diameter will be 8 centimeters, and diameter will be equal to diagonal because both are passing through the center and the two corners of the square are touching the boundaries of the circle. So diagonal is equal to diameter. So we can say that the diagonal is also 8 centimeters. And we are supposing that two sides x and x because we have to find out the area of the square. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is 8 in this case, so 8 square equal to x square plus x square. So we will get 64 equal to 2x square. So the value of x square will be 64 divided by 2, that will be 32. So 32 centimeter square is the area of the square, and we don't have to find out the area of the x because we need the area of the square, and square is the multiplication of the two sides, x into x, x square.